Hello and welcome back to Invest with Sanjeev KMR BGP. KP Energy has given more than 50% return in last 10 days only. Why is it crucial? Because in this time we have seen a big market fall. Nifty 50 was down more than 7%. Small cap, mid cap, all are down. And number of companies was down, I think, more than 10%, 20%, 30%. And in the same time, this company has given 50% return. And in last 3 years, it has given more than 60x return. So in this video, I'm going to discuss about this company, why the share price of this company is going rapidly, sector analysis, industry analysis, and company's fundamental technical analysis. Everything we are going to do in today's video. This is the chart of KP Energy. You can see from 27th September, from here, from 27th September, it has given 45% return. Okay. And when you see the monthly chart from 2021 June, share price was approx 10 rupees. And now share price is 634. So 63x return it has given in only 3 years. So this is disclaimer. I am not a SEBI registered advisor and I am creating this video only for the educational purpose. KP Energy market cap is small cap, sector infrastructure, industry, engineering and construction. In this infrastructure sector, there is only two industry. One is transmission towers, second is engineering construction. But today I'm not going to discuss about this industry because this industry is a very big industry. And KP Energy is directly related to energy sector, renewable energy sector. So we will discuss about the renewable energy sector. Renewable energy sector, it has grown to approximately 8% CAGR over the last decade, last 10 years. And there is target to grow 500 gigawatt capacity by 2030. And it will be the 50% of total installed power capacity. What is the meaning of this? In the second line, you will understand. In the 2024, this year, current power generation, total power generation, not from only renewable energy, from coal also, total capacity is 452 gigawatt. Okay, 452 gigawatt. And it will, at present, the contribution of renewable energy is 46%. It means 201. So, and projection is 500, from 201 to 500. It means when 452 gigawatt will reach to 1000 gigawatt by 2030, and the contribution of renewable energy will be 50%. It means 500 gigawatt. Employment generation, over 11 million jobs globally in 2020, and it is projected to reach 42 million by 2050. And when you talk about the carbon emission, the main source of the pollution, it is reduced by 70% of annual CO2 emission, carbon dioxide emission globally. Investment, $10 trillion, it is projected investment in globally by 2050. Wind energy industry. At present 42 gigawatt total capacity of wind energy, and this is the projection that it will grow to 140 gigawatt by 2030. And the contribution of wind energy to India total energy mix is approximately 10%. And two states in Gujarat and Tamil Nadu only, wind energy, these two states are playing the big role. And when you talk about the technological investment in advancement, increasing use of hybrid wind solar projects and offshore wind development. Major players: Suzlon, Inox, Siemens, and KP Energy. Contribution to GDP: 1.4% was the contribution in 2023. And total investment in infrastructure, the contribution is 25% of clean energy investment. And job creation impact, it contributes, renewable energy contribute 1% of total national workforce. Economic growth boost, there is expectation it will reach $500 billion economic contribution by 2030. And export potential, it will also grow and it will contribute in our GDP. Now, discuss about the introduction part of KP Energy Limited. Established before 13 years, and in the wind energy project development and BOP, balance of plant solution service. Installed capacity mainly in Gujarat. Four types of service: engineering, procurement, construction, and commissioning for wind farms. Project pipeline is expanding portfolio with both onshore and hybrid wind solar energy. And growth outlook is 140 gigawatt is the total wind energy. And the contribution of this company will be, this company KP Energy will play a key role to contribute to reach there. This is the biggest order, 23 megawatt wind solar hybrid project. It order from Aditya Birla Renewable Energy Limited. And second biggest order is 600 megawatt project with NTPC Limited. And the order 1200 crore rupees order, contract order. This is the revenue and shareholding slides. Revenue comes from India only, and shareholding pattern: promoters holding 54% and public 45%, FII and DI less than 1%. Fundamental analysis: market cap is 4,187 crore rupees, and ROC is 41%. It is huge. And ROC 7 years is also very good, 25%. Sales growth last year 14%. Sales growth average is 7 years is 23%. Debt to equity is also less than 0.5. Promoter hold is 45%. Interest coverage ratio more than 3. It is also good. OPM is also more than 15%. So company is fundamentally strong. Financial revenue is increasing, and here you can see from 2021 72 crore to 250 crore. This was a huge jump. and from 250 to 438 crore. 473 and trailing 12 month is 487. It is growing. And net profit is also increasing. 1 to 2020 to 2021, 1 crore to 6 crore, 6x. And here 3x jump. So it is growing. EPS is also increasing and share price is growing. So P is also growing. And you have already seen technical analysis we have done. So it is growing. So at present, if you want to make new entry, you can buy, you can make fresh entry. And if you are already holding and you want to add the tranche, you can add here. But you should not exit, you should not do profit booking. That's all from my side. If you think I am creating a good video and it is valuable for you, please press the like button and share your question from comment. And one more thing, if you have not subscribed my channel as yet, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much to all of you.